What is up, everybody? We got the game live now. It is pretty awesome. Hold on, let me send a link to somebody and then I will get started here. Oh, you can see stuff moving around my screen, so. One sec. Okay. Cool. Hey man, how are you? We got the game live. Go check it out. Junkwars.net. And there are some bugs. I'm going to be fixing them, but mostly I'm going to be working on cool features like a scoreboard and some other stuff. But it is actually working now. So let's see if we can find some people around here. I know there's some people sneaking around. Where are y'all at? Yeah, there's various issues. Hey there. Yeah, I was able to figure it out last night. It's pretty awesome. All the Cloudflare stuff. You know, it was interesting. The Cloudflare wasn't actually even the problem. It was my old server design actually was disguising some bigger problems about state management. Oh, I see somebody. There we go. Boom. Let's go. Wow, that's a lot of ammo you had there, whoever Too Bad is. Oh. Get him. Get him. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. And this is live. It's working. Woo! Go if you're on the stream, go check it out. Junkwars.net. You can actually join. Okay, I see that little car. Okay. Where the hell? Let's switch. There are some bugs, but I'll be fixing them. And you see all this stuff, like it's respawning all of the stuff every time you like somebody dies. It like spawns a ton of new junk. So I need to fix that. But it's only in the browser, so it's not like in the actual game world. So you can just refresh. There's not even a scoreboard right now, so it doesn't really matter. You know, just refresh, and it'll get fixed. It's not on Android yet. I'm gonna be adding mobile controls potentially on this stream. Oh there's somebody. Who's that? Oh man. All right. Got me. Okay, I'm also not releasing the control screen lock. Okay, let me figure that out. So I'll have a version that's up and running, and then I'm gonna be working on a local version. So, and at some point I'm gonna redeploy. So, you know, I'm gonna interrupt some games, but it's a pretty big day. It's exciting to actually have the game up and running. Okay, let me go to my to-do list. We actually got the multiplayer all working. Yes. Just gonna mark all this stuff. I haven't been on this list in a while. Yes, and I did security stuff as well. I double checked, so it should be good. Thank you. All right, let's see. We got multiplayer. We got a server. Got the WebSockets. Yeah, see, mobile controls is basically next on my list. These are the two things that we got to work through now. Oh, actually, I also did the name input. I did the kill notifications, although I wanna improve them. I want to make them look better. Fix ricochet. Yeah, that's also done. Man, so I got a lot of stuff done. Next, all this is good. We are gonna be making some awesome features today. It's gonna be awesome. Like, we're actually gonna work on some exciting stuff instead of just like synchronizing, the back end and the front end. Um, so I'm going to, hey there, I'm going to fix the bug with the entity reloading. That's a real big problem. So I'm gonna fix that, and then we'll go from there. I thought I fixed it yesterday though, so I'm kind of surprised. Maybe it didn't get deployed. All right. Mobile control score display. That's kind of what I was working on in this chat over here. I don't know. So the game is up and running. You can go check it out and play on junkwars.net. I'm gonna be working in a local version. I'm gonna be working in on a version that's just on my computer. And if the game gets slow, just refresh the browser, because it's got a bug right now where every time somebody dies, all the items get respawned for everybody, as far as I can tell. Okay. So next is really fix item respawning bug, which I thought I fixed, actually. So I have to see what's going on there. Oh, I fixed the logo. Oh, I might have never actually pushed that change. Yeah, I just remember explicitly fixing it, so just a little surprised. But okay, I'll yeah, I got a local server running here using Wrangler Dev, and my local client. Let me reconnect. Okay. Okay, the control thing is, I just did some refactoring, so I need to fix that. Clicking into the game should make the man. I'm trying to think where would this one just got moved. Okay, I'm gonna go to GitHub because that's where I previously I know I have a working version here. Is this 7 commits behind main? That doesn't sound right. Oh, they're all just merges. Hey Sergey, how you doing, man? Check out the game. You can go to junkwars.net, and I'm going to be adding some good features. First, I need to fix a bug though, which is every time somebody dies, it respawns all of the items, so the game gets really slow because there's literally like, after 10 kills there'll be 100,000 pieces of junk. That's a lot to render. So if it starts lagging, just refresh, but I'm gonna fix it shortly here. Yeah, I think we also... captured, I think it's... Damn it, it's full. Okay, request pointer lock. That's what we're talking about. And I never had pointer lock in here. Why is it not requesting pointer lock when I click back into the game? That's super weird. A shattered mirror would be a cool new piece of junk. That's pretty good. It would be funny if we could somehow make it actually reflect stuff. It would be like the ultimate item. I see. It's only requesting pointer lock if we click on a pointer lock element. This is a really confusing if condition though. I'm gonna get back to doing some coding. Can we make it so, well, the pointer lock condition is kind of confusing right now, and the problem I have is when I exit the game and then go back to it and click into it, I expect that it should do the request pointer lock again when I click into it for the first time, even if I'm not in a UI. Also, there is a sick soundtrack that I created for the game, and I'm still polishing it up. Let me just remove this one song for the moment, and then I'm gonna share this with y'all. I'm just gonna warn you, this album is crazy good. Like, you will not believe this is AI. it's kind of ridiculous. So here, I'm gonna send it out on the chat. Y'all can check it out. It's kind of a mix of like metal and drum and bass, sort of like Pendulum if you like them. It's fast paced, it's heavy, it's got some doom vibes to it. Suno added this feature where you can actually edit songs, and so I've been spending way too much time on this. But it's a pretty killer soundtrack. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna add it to the game, but have it be like an optional thing where you can toggle it on and off. Um, but yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, let me. Okay. Yeah, we'll remove the full screen thing for now. Enter. Okay, that's good. No, it still does not. Did I refresh properly? Yeah, no. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It's crazy. Listen to Dumpster Drop. That song is just absurd. I'm like, are you serious? Like it's so heavy. But then it has these like pops of like lighter moments. And I arranged all the tracks in a way that they like work really well, so you can kind of listen to it like an album. And actually it's really good. Um, okay, let me keep fixing this pointer thing. All right, there's still an issue with when I click escape. All right, let's see if that fixes my pointer lock issue. Okay, so that's good. Now I get pointer lock, I escape, and I click back in, and it doesn't do anything. Wait, actually, that's because I was... Yeah, no, it still doesn't do anything. Check game and controls. So I think some... All right, welcome everybody to the stream. We're working on Junkwars. You can check it out right now. You can go to junkwars.net. It's up. It's live. There's a bug right now where every time somebody dies, it respawns everything. So it gets laggy over time. Just refresh. And I'm gonna fix that in a minute here, and then we'll deploy a new version. Dude, what is going on? It's like, oh, it also had to change game. Okay, good. Nope. This is surreal. Now the shooting doesn't work. Are there any logs in here? Okay. Now the shooting doesn't work either, and I'm getting this error in the console log. All right. Let's try that out. Okay, clicking elsewhere doesn't do it. Clicking in works great. Does shooting still work? Yes, shooting works. I escape, and then I click back in, and user has exited the lock before this request was complete. Oh, okay, there we go, there we go. I think it's back. I think we got this. I see, there we go. Do I not use the browser tools MCP? I've been meaning to try it actually. It looks super cool. I just haven't found the time. Have you tried it? What do you think of it? Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Okay. Boom. Now when I click respawn, that's weird. Yeah, the items don't respawn anymore here. I think I fixed it, but I just never merged the changes or something. Like I just never deployed it. I think that's all that's going on. Because I remember fixing the respawning junk stuff last night. Nice for diagnosing console and network log issues that aren't glaring. Yeah, no, I mean, it seems like a really good idea to have that full feedback loop where you're just feeding the logs directly to the AI instead of needing to figure it out, like go back and forth yourself. So I definitely want to try it out. Okay, I'm going to build one more feature before I deploy again, which is going to be the scoreboard, which I think might, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, one shot this for me. It's sick. Okay, let's, boom. Bro. Yes, yes. I literally was like, make a, you know, add the score tracking and build the UI, and it in one prompt built the whole thing. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a kill with the bathtub this time so that we can make sure the score is okay. It's 2 on this guy's. Yeah, it's 2 on this guy's thing too. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I'm never gonna find this guy. Okay, let me move him out to the barren lands out here. And then now we'll be able to see him. You know, when you play the game enough, you notice there are kind of like 2 tall hills that you can stand on. So just a quick tip. Boom. There we go. And if I press E, yeah. Okay, sick. I want to make that into tab instead of E. And we'll make it look nicer later, but we shouldn't have, well, actually, yeah, no. Shooting does make sense inside of controls. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Let's go. This is amazing. All right. I keep saying all right. Sorry guys. I'm just excited. This is like I've been trying to get the multiplayer working for like 4 days straight, and now I got it. And now it's just going to be like building sick features and deploying. This is about to be really fun. And then we can play too. So, let me try. Oh yeah, I wanted to figure out where that key was. Let me go back here. We got the player scoreboard. Where's the scoreboard? There's the scoreboard UI. I wanted to add, instead of looking for the letter E, I wanted to make it tab. I'm not sure if it's literally spelled out tab or if it's if it's some kind of character code. That's why I wrote it in here. Okay. I'm not that crazy. Okay. Let's try that. Cuz it's like if you change one character, it's like why would you? Okay, perfect. All right, so I can press tab like a normal freaking shooter game. All right, let's see. Let's take out that cart. Boom. There we go. Let's go. I wonder if I rejoin, if it's going to preserve that score or not. No, I don't think so. So actually, that's something I should fix. Where is that guy? Oh, there he is. Gotcha. 1 1 yeah, 1 1, but this guy sees, I see, it's a different character. That's fine. Because it is a different guy, but we need to load the initial state for the scores. And so we need to, wait, what? Ha, gotcha. Got him. Okay. Okay, this is looking perfect, but oh, actually, we go back to the chat where we implemented the score display in the first place. This is looking perfect, but can you make it so that when a player joins for the first time, they load the current state of the game, which should have the scores for all the other players? Thanks, Abdul Shakur. How you doing? It's good to see you again. You can check out the game, junkwars.net. I'm about to deploy a fix for some lagging issues and then also the scoreboard. So that should be pretty awesome. Hey Kareem, nice to see you here. Welcome. All right, let's see. Well, we're already doing that. So that seems kind of weird that we would need to do that again to handle initial state better. We should already be... Okay, I see what you're doing, but it seems that there must be another root cause for this data not making it across, because obviously we were already trying to send it and it should load on the initial state, so there's no need to add all of these extra checks and stuff. The problem is somewhere else, because when a player joins fresh, they don't actually see this data. Let's revert the additional changes and add logs so we can troubleshoot it. If you guys are playing the game, let me know what you think. Let me know if you run into any issues. I'd love to get feedback, and then I can implement changes like literally real time. And make sure to check out the game soundtrack, which I sent a link in the chat. It's very good. I'm gonna keep promoting it because it really like has no place being as good as it is. Okay, we got some debugs in here. Hold on. All right. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now I see this has a score 1-1. And if I refresh, let's see what I get as my initial state. Yeah. I don't really see that. Setting up player with state. Setting up remote player with state. Okay, so we do see that in the logs. It'd be cool if there was a feature where you could share ammo if you wanted to team up with other players. Yeah, drop ammo feature. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good idea. I do also want to add a ammo cap, because it's like, yeah, actually that's a good idea. I'm gonna throw that in my to do. Add a wrench or scrap to increase. Repair. Yeah. That's awesome. Ideas. Use a wrench to repair. That's awesome. Yeah, I think maybe adding some kind of health might be a good idea, because right now it's like one hit, one kill, which is kind of cool. But I might play around with some health. It's sort of harder because you just got junk, so it's like there's no real hit box areas. It's not like I shot your arm. It's like I shot your whole thing, right? Um, so I have to think about that. But it would be cool to be able to like have more natural teaming. Let me see where my okay, right. I was gonna say received initial state. All players. Yeah, so I clearly do see that player. So the data is coming through, but it's just not populating into the display. Let me throw that in here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, what I was gonna do is I'm gonna add an anti-camping mechanism where if you don't move for too long, then it's going to have some kind of like uh, visual thing that kind of points where you are. So that's what I was gonna do to encourage people to move around more. I also wanted to keep the ammo kind of limited, so you sort of had to run around to get more. But I think some anti-camping mechanism will also be important. Okay, so let's see. We got these logs, and it looks like the UI is clearly getting all of the data that it needs, but for some reason we're just not displaying it properly in the new UI. I guess new interface. Maybe there is a local component state that should actually be a controlled state via game state. Yeah, that's I'm almost certain that's what it is. It's probably adding it to some kind of component and keeping track of the state in there. The data is indeed flowing correctly. There's a disconnect how we're handling the state. Issue is in handle player join in game event. Where does that change? First update the game state with initial data, and then spawn handler handle initial state. Why would we do that? That's kind of interesting. Well, let me try it, and then we'll see if that does anything. And by the way, you can press control to change into a different piece of junk. It can be very strategic. I don't know what the Mac equivalent is, but I don't know if it just is handled out of the box or if I need to add an additional key mapping. If you're playing this on a Mac, let me know if the control thing is working, or if you know what to press when I say that. Command or whatever, I guess. Okay, where's the drum set? I don't see him. Am I on the wrong side of the map? No. Oh, there I am. No, look what it's it never updated me from when I changed. I wonder why. That's weird. Okay. So I got 1 1 here. This one has it correct, but then if I refresh, whoa, now it says it has 2. That's weird. Why would it be 2? And then if I refresh this guy, oh whoops. Yeah, there's nobody now. Wait, ASDF has 2. God, I'm so confused. But I don't think that's right. I think it might be adding it twice. Counts death and respawn. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, thank you. That's a really good tip. Are we possibly counting death and respawn as the same, well, as scoring twice? Let me see if I get this guy. Okay, I'm gonna stay on top of this cliff. Where's that? Buildup of junk, and then as you get shot, junk pieces fall off, so you become weaker. That's cool. Where's that cliff? I don't. Am I up here? There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's 1 point, and then I respawn. It still counts as 1 there. I'm super confused by how it's getting to that score. Drum sets on the other. Thank you. Where's the drum set? I don't actually see him. Aren't I right there? I must be on a different hill. Haha. Both of these must have... No, wait. I'm right there. I was on the other side. Okay. Volo 1. Okay, you know what? This is fine enough to just deploy initially, and then I'm gonna fix it up. Besides, I wanna fix that junk loading issue. So this is a good enough version to start. I'm gonna get rid of the score, and I'm gonna add a high kill streak, max high kill streak kind of thing. That way you can see how many you can get, and eventually I did want to also add some sounds, like the Dota 2 double kill. I think it's gonna be really good. Oh, and yeah, we got to do some sound design today, because we got to have some shotgun sounds or something like that. Have I tried Gemini 2.5 yet? No, I have not. Is it easily available in Cursor yet? Do you know? Let's see. Well, it's not on the short list, but let me see. Gemini. Oh, I might have it in my Cursor settings or something like that. I'll take a look in a little bit. Let me just make sure this is still working. I know the logo is like weird, but that's just like on my screen. Did it crash the server? Or did it delete something that I need? Okay, there we go. That's all working. Okay, just a final check and then I'm gonna deploy this new version. Got him. Cool. Yeah, no, that's cool that the windsurf guys got a hit on that one. Okay, this looks fine. I'm gonna accept that, and I'm gonna commit all this, and we're gonna deploy. Is it all UI changes? I think so. In which case I can just deploy the new client. Oh, cool. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give it. I'll give it a try. Actually, I'll give it a try in a minute. Let me push this code, and then I'll try it out live. One sec. Okay. Let me. Right. So now check this out. This is my deploy pipeline. If I can remember. Something about Wrangler. Wrangler deploy. I think it's Wrangler deploy on the server side, and then it's automated through my GitHub for the client side, which I should actually automate the backend as well. But I'll just do this for now. Okay, got a pull request open. It's gonna run it. What do we got here? 16 files. Yeah, it's all UI stuff actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and push that. Well, where's the merge button? Give me the merge button. Here we go. Okay, so it's going to deploy. It might cause a reload. I'm actually kind of curious if you guys are playing and if it like just force refreshes. I would love to know that. And if not, then I'll tell you when you're ready to refresh. there should be, yeah, this is Cloudflare, and this is where we have all of this deployed. So I can take a look here, and I think right now it's deploying the pages. So we see in a few seconds, in a few seconds. I guess that just means it ran. It's like a future status. That's funny. A few seconds ago. Okay, so it should be live. Let me check it out. Junkwars.net. Okay, sick. It's live. So if you refresh junkwars.net, you should see the scoreboard. Claude will be raising their context window to 500K here soon. That would be cool. I wonder if it's going to make a big difference. I remember like somebody yesterday was talking about, you know, that maybe higher context models just aren't quite as good because of the way they were trained. I don't know. It was an interesting conversation. Oh, you got me. Damn, the freaking. I'm like, oh no, the logo's screwed up. I'm gonna fix the logo. You know what? I fixed the logo in the same commit as I fixed the other issue. And since the logo is broken again, I wonder if that means... Oh, no, it's just the wrong relative URL now. Because it's now in the player UI. Okay, there we go. The logo is fixed. I wonder why in the live client it doesn't release the pointer lock when I die. Controls that enabled? Yeah, it should exit pointer lock. Hey, can you guys tell me if you're seeing when you die, do you get stuck on that respawn screen and you have to press escape and then click the button, or does it just work? Is it fine? Because it's a pointer lock issue, and we got to fix that. I'll just prompt it here, and we'll just ask. Sometimes when I die, the pointer lock does not get exited so that I can click the respawn button. Weirdly enough, this seems to work okay for me when I'm using my own computer, but when other players are playing and they shoot me, I run into this situation. I think it happens when I die when the pointer lock is on. Yeah, okay. Yeah, seriously, if you guys are playing, let me know of any like annoying weird issues and glitches that you're seeing. And by the way, let me know if killing somebody now does not respawn all of the entities, because that was something I was trying to fix. That should be fixed. Show death overlay after a small delay to ensure pointer lock is released. What? No. I don't. Oh, We were doing it over here. Okay. Handle player death. Show death overlay. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. All entities disappear and respawn after death. They still do. Okay, that sucks. I thought I fixed that. You know, it's super weird. Um, Interesting. I wonder if people are like hiding or camping, or if And we should also initialize the scoreboard with everybody who's like actively on the server. That way you can at least see if there are other people connected right now. I might do that. Let me accept that real quick. I can't be pointer locked onto two screens though, so I don't know how I'm gonna test this locally. But I'll just test to make sure that if I die, I can still respawn or whatever. Am I in the wrong spot again? No, I think I'm in the same spot, aren't I? Do I just like not see that player? Oh, this isn't the real junk. Damn it. Okay, I was on the actual site. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. So I think the pointer lock issue is fixed. Let's go to the scoreboard. We need to make sure that we are maintaining state or when the player joins, we populate some initial state, but we want to also show any players with a score of 0 and 0 that are also connected to the server. Basically, as soon as I join, I should be able to see all of the players when I press tab. You're camping. Yeah. I'm gonna add an anti-camping thing here on this stream, for sure. It's too tempting because you find like a high spot and then you're like, okay, I'll just wait for people to move around. When the player joins, we populate some initial state. Yeah. Okay. Man, this is like the stream that I've been waiting for, honestly, for the last like 3 days, because finally the game works. You see scores 0-0? Oh, you do? Oh, hold on. Well, I died. Hey, you got me. Oh, sick. Okay. Dude, this is awesome. Wow, Too Bad is crushing it. Jeez. Damn. What? Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think you're right. It does. I'm just gonna undo whatever random crap it made up. Hey, Brian. Oh, thank you so much for the kind words. I really appreciate that. That's freaking awesome, man. Congrats. All right, we got to add some anti-camping here. Everybody be camping. I'm just going to start shooting at the top of hills, hoping that it gets somebody. He looks suspicious. That drum set over there looks a little sketchy. Oh, damn, Too Bad. It says freaking 9 points. Dude. And I'm dead last over here. Jeez. Okay, where are you all? I wonder. Oh yeah, why don't you all? Well, if you refresh, you should be able to see the score. I wonder if. Oh god, yeah. There's like 3 carts. It's still reloading all of the stuff, so it's gonna get super laggy. Man, why is it doing that? Here we go. There's somebody. Let's go. Oh no, I ran out of ammo. Crap. Hey, Mr. Chair. Let's hang out. What? Oh my god, this stuff keeps respawning. It's so bad. It's so bad. We need to fix that pronto. Oh my god, it's so laggy. Let me deploy this change real fast because this just, well, actually, let me see. What did it do here? When a player joins, we only update their score in the scoreboard when they get a kill or when we receive a game state update. We should initialize the score for all players. Is the game world state stored in a component that gets reset when a player dies? Are you persisting shared world state on the server or using some kind of global context? Is the world memoized? I have state in general that it is server side. And it's sort of event driven, where when you do stuff in the game, it sends events to the server, and then the server emits those to all of the clients. This is kind of a weird bug with the stuff respawning because I don't have this issue when I run it locally. So I'm going to have to think through what exactly is going on there. I want to deploy this change that fixes the logo real fast. I'm also kind of curious about these changes that it made about when a player joins, we only update their score in the scoreboard. Sergey said that we already see players with 0, and I did already see players with 0. So I'm just going to reject this code for now and keep it simple. So, okay. So I should have fixed the death control lock and the logo. Pointer, lock, and logo. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and create a pull request and merge it. All right, cool. That should fix the pointer lock when you die and also the logo. Next, I am going to, next up, I'm going to fix item respawn. All right, cool. Give me a sec. I'm just going to take a quick break and I will be back. right. Yeah, I gotta fix this whole junk spawning issue. Okay. Hmm. Oh, oh man, pointer lock is still broken. Hey Brian, thanks for the super chat. Working on V2 that has the whole workflow in the app. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that feedback. And let me know if there's any subjects that I can cover as well. That'll be helpful. Oh my God, yes! Finally, somebody got too bad. Is the map too big? I don't know. Maybe there's just not enough players. Maybe once we get more players. Okay, I need to actually fix the friggin' problem. Yeah, see, there's 3 TVs there. I need to fix that. Okay. Hold on. Is it using the right microphone? It seems like I'm a little quieter than usual. Let me just double check the audio. Everybody hear me okay? Yeah, it looks like I should be using the microphone. I must have just bumped this little thing. Okay. Yeah, everybody's hiding. Everybody's camping. And we need to fix that. I'm gonna fix that. There should be 6 people up on the server right now. But I think everybody's just kind of sitting there. So I'll fix that. Yeah, okay. Junk respawning. Every time somebody dies, the junk all respawns, and I'm gonna fix that now because I don't know why the heck that's. Maybe. Oh, you know what? I probably fixed it server side, merged it, and then never deployed the server. I think that's what's going on. I think that might be a server side change. Let me check my pull requests. Because I remember seeing that issue locally and then I fixed it. I'm going to redeploy the server. I think it's, yeah, Wrangler deploy. This is probably going to disconnect everybody. it should deploy the fix for the stuff regenerating. I hope. I remember fixing it, so. I don't know what's up with the errors. I gotta take a look at that. What the heck? I swear I've enabled logs on this already. Oh, it's because that's why it has that warning message. Damn, man. I love Cloudflare. It's like they have all the warnings in all the right places and reminders, and it's because I deployed it with the logs turned off. Okay. Let's try and see if this fixes the junk respawning issue. I'm gonna run over here. You guys can see where I am. Why don't you just get me, and then we'll see if if the junk respawning is fixed or not. If you guys are watching, if you could just refresh so that you connect to the new server, the updated server that should have the junk stuff fixed, I hope. Just all right, well, I don't know where anyone is. I guess there's one other player on the server right now. Are you guys able to join? Is there maybe an issue with the latest deployment? Oh, I see somebody. I don't think it updates when people join. I think that's maybe what. Oh, someone got me. All right. Great. Did it respawn the stuff for you? Did it respawn the pointer lock is still screwed up. I guess I'll have to get somebody so that I can actually test it. Come on. Aha. Oh man. Okay. I don't think it's, well, it's not respawning the stuff for me anyway. Sweet. Okay, I think the stuff respawning is good now. Man, everybody's moving so fast. Holy crap. Ah. Maybe I need to make the hitboxes a little bigger. Dude, this is sick. Oh no, I ran out of ammo. But I'm tires right now, so. Dude, Brian is crushing it. Sick. Where the hell's the ammo? Here we go. Ah. Hell yeah, man. Um, camping Halo. If a player stays in one spot more than a second, they get a Halo over them. Yes, yes, yes. Totally something like that. I was gonna give them like a little bit longer than that, and I was going to um make it like not just in one spot, but like if they're if they don't move more than a certain distance in a certain amount of time, because that's the other thing is like you could just stand still and just go like this, and that would be movement. Oh, yeah. But that wouldn't like work, right? So, so we would still want to catch that situation when they're camping, but they're not moving. Oh, I'm still having this pointer lock issue. Like when I die and I need to respawn, I have to press escape and then click respawn. Do you guys also see that? Could somebody in the chat please confirm that for me? Or if it's an issue on my side or if that's just everybody's dealing with that? Like when you die, do you have to press escape so that you can press respawn? Oh. Oh shit. Damn. Oh man. Where the hell are you? Oh, something else now. Oh no. You still got me. Cool. Thank you for confirming, Sergey. I'm gonna fix that now. But hey, we got the stuff spawning fixed, so we got some live updates. And for anyone joining, make sure you are blasting the official Junkwars soundtrack. I'll be adding this to the game. And it's pretty sick. Okay, where the hell are you guys? Dude, this is gonna be so sick. Oh, I'm playing localhost. Damn it. Okay. I was like ready to go. Oh my god, did I see somebody move? That's you. No. Oh my god, I'm so paranoid. Man. Okay, get some ammo. I need to also update the ammo pickups. They kind of lag right now. Like when you pick it up, it doesn't disappear right away. Oh no. Gotcha. Too bad. But it works. It works. The whole game works, man. I'm so excited about this. It's freaking awesome. We even got the scoreboard now. Oh man. Okay, yeah, and I'm gonna be adding some mobile controls next, so you can play this on your phone. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Anti-camping and oh no, oh no, oh no. Where's that coming from? You in there? Where are you? Ammo pickups are a little slow on the respawn, unless I'm just missing them. How do you guys feel about the ammo pickups? Do we need more ammo? Are they too slow? I don't even see any anymore. You guys all picking them up? Thank you. Hi. Yeah, where the hell did all the ammo go? It's like it's not respawning anymore. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Wonder if there's an issue. Here, let's check the logs here. Maybe respawning ammo pickup. Here's a question. Are you guys seeing any ammo appearing or I don't see any, but are any of you have any of you gotten a new ammo off the ground like within the last 5 minutes? I think there's an issue with it. Oh, I see a created ammo pickup, but it's an amount of 1. And that's what happens when someone dies because they drop their ammo. I think yeah, I think we got an issue with the ammo spawning. You only see it when you first join. Ooh, that's an interesting tip. Because if I refresh, do I see it? Yeah, look at that. When I refresh, I see it. So what I think is happening, yeah, okay. So the ammo is there. Nobody's picking it up because it's in random spots that you can't see. So it's some kind of issue with the updating local state. Because now I'm getting, look how much ammo I'm getting. Gotcha. Um, so I'm gonna fix that next, but it's kind of fun to play. But I should work on the game. What? You have 213 ammo? Dang. Uh-oh, well maybe Too Bad's about to have 213 ammo. If you want, oh, nice. Um, if you want to see ammo and know where it is, just refresh because there's a glitch with that right now, and I'll fix it. Oh, my God, where did you go? Okay. All right, let me fix the ammo problem now. I'm gonna disconnect. All right. Okay, I ammo displaying for local clients. Right now it seems like we have an issue with ammo spawns that are generated by the server being properly shared with the client. The ammo spawns properly when a player is killed. However, the automatic server spawning drops don't seem to make it to the client. If I refresh, I definitely see them there, but it's an issue while I'm playing the game. And then we'll say, please check the flow. Hey, if you guys are on X, would love to have you guys share this video out, this stream. Maybe tag levels in it, because I think we're at a good point where we actually got a game that's working that people can join and play around in. So it'll be cool to get a few more eyes on this. Okay, set up ammo spawn callback to broadcast to clients. Conceptually, that makes sense to me. I'm gonna try this locally, and I'll just try to collect all of the ammo. And then I should be able to see if it's gonna work or not. I'm gonna restart my local server. And for anybody just joining, you can play the game right here. Come play with. It's junkwars.net. Okay, I am trying locally to see if the ammo respawning works. I'm gonna pick up all of this ammo. Although, what's going on here? Attempting ammo pickup. Why is it not? It's not picking it up now. Okay, let's try to pick this one up. Maybe it's just a... Okay, I'm gonna take a look here and just see if the ammo... Okay, so I'm seeing a created ammo pickup. And I'm hoping to see more. Is it gonna go? Maybe it only fires once? Maybe it only kicks it off one time. Here, let me just pick that one up. Ammo pickup confirmed. All right. Ammo pickup confirmed. Okay, okay. I feel like it's only doing it once. Like it's only respawning one instance of ammo and then it stops. Okay. Ammo confirmed. Now I'm gonna wait, and I think we're gonna see it respawn, but maybe not the second one. Ammo confirmed. No, I'm still not seeing him. It's just super weird. Okay. Okay, it says respawning. It says respawning ammo pickup, but I don't see it in the... See this in the server. Client. Gonna tag a couple of files and we'll see if we can figure this out. Hey Marco, how are you doing? Yeah, this is Cursor. I find it to be very good. What is this? This whole callback thing is a little weird. I'm not sure why we would need this. Like, where is even this code? This dot on ammo spawn? Yeah, this is yeah. Cursor has the AI built in, so you can code with it. Pretty awesome. All right, let me see if I can find the ammo. Ammo confirmed by server. Player ammo updated. Respawning pickup. But I never see it in here. I see the server log, but I never see those new client logs. You can, Devere, you're asking about my email. You can reach out. It's in my YouTube about page. So if you go to my channel and click about, and then there'll be a button that lets you see the email. The server is making pickups as active and manage ammo pickups, but it's not actually. You're welcome. Thank you. It's not actually triggering the broadcast event. Looking at the code, when a pickup respawns, it just sets is active to true. Yeah, I think that's true, but don't we also have this somewhere? Yeah, but do have. I'm gonna ask it to remove any dead code that we might have, because I see, and this whole callback thing is weird. The same broadcast code in both. Broadcast ammo spawn. That makes a lot more sense to me. Okay, okay. I am curious to see if that fixes it, because that just makes a lot more sense. Respawning ammo. And I'm now seeing these created ammo pickups. So I think this actually worked. I'm also gonna work on making them a little bit more responsive. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's a new one right there. Yep. This is working now. Yes. Okay, awesome. We got the ammo pickups working. Man, this is a good day. Okay, let's go. Okay. Log all non-update messages for debugging. I don't need that. Game event handler, handling ammo spawn. That's all good. Game state. We actually simplified this code, man, and I love when that happens. And then we got the game room. We still need that. Okay, accept all. Ammo pickup fixed. Now I need to fix the pointer lock issue, because when you die, it still holds onto your pointer lock. Currently, when I die, what a weird way to start a prompt. Um, currently, when I die and I have the pointer lock active, it remains active instead of being released so that I could click the respawn button. Can you figure out why this is happening and fix the issue? Man, I should turn some of this music on. Yeah, I don't think I'm sharing the audio, which is fine because I'm sure some of you guys don't want to hear epic drum and bass music. But I'm gonna play some. Okay. I just turned up my audio a little bit because I realized that's what was going on. I just bumped my little volume knob. So if I'm louder, you can just turn me back down if it's too loud. All right. I'm going to be blasting this. Wait, let me make sure. Are all of these tracks public? I think the playlist is public, but the tracks maybe not. Let me make sure all of the songs are. You should seriously check this out. Okay. There we go. Okay. This is the official soundtrack. Again, just listen to it at your own convenience, of course. But I'm going to go ahead and continue. Let me turn it down just a little bit. Death Manager. Both Death Manager and Player Spawn Handler are initialized, but handle player death method in the game class is only using the player spawn handler, which doesn't have the pointer lock release logic. Ooh, interesting. Good catch. And again, I have like no way to really test this. Well, I'm just going to try to see if this doesn't break anything, and then I'll deploy it, and then you guys can test it. Testing in production, let's go. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't break anything. So, although, actually, wait. I think that broke the score. The other player's ammo gets stuck now. I gotta fix that. Was that just that one? This seems to have broken some of the score stuff. I think this broke some of the score handling and also the ammo pickup that is left behind seems to just stick around from the perspective of the player that dropped it. I'm also going to add to the context the recent chat that we had about the ammo spawn sync. Okay, let's see. Found the issue. The problem is that we're creating ammo pickups in two places. In Death Manager on handle player death and base game handle player kill. When a player dies, their client creates a local ammo pickup. Server also creates an ammo pickup and broadcasts it to all clients. Yeah. The original client now has two. Yeah, I think that's correct. So I think if we remove that, that should fix that issue. But I don't know what that has to do with the score. I guess we'll see. Okay, excellent. I think I fixed the ammo spawn issue. So this has the score correct. This also has the score correct. Okay. Sick. Now we even up the score. Let's go. And then if I refresh this, what happens? I should see 1-1, but I see 2-2. Wonder why that is. It like doubles it when I refresh. Let me see if it literally doubles it or if it adds by 1. Boom. Now I correctly see 2 and 1 here. This one sees 3 and 2, but if I refresh, what is that going to say? 4 and 2. The other guy only got, yeah, it's like it's double. So, yeah, I'll fix that. But for the moment, I'm going to actually go ahead and push this code because I think we fixed more things than we broke. All right, we got the game state. You know what? I should just do a command line. I should just figure out how to merge it command line. Because I like all these changes. Fix ammo spawn plus pointer lock. Hopefully the pointer lock is fixed. It's really hard to test because I can't have the pointer lock twice. I need to get it working on a different device so that I can test it out before I deploy it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna figure out how to create a PR from dev B branch to main and merge it. Okay, git checkout main, git pull, git merge dev B, and then git push. It's not quite what I was going for because I think it's not really a pull request. I like to keep track of my changes, so I'm gonna actually create a pull request in here, and then we'll just merge it the same way as before. Okay. But actually, did we change the server? We changed stuff on the server. So this pull request is going to deploy the latest server, or the client side. I need to deploy the server side here. Wrangler deploy. All right, cool. I'm going to be right back, just taking a short break, and then we're going to work on the mobile controls and fixing any other bugs. Try the game at junkwars.net. All right, cool. Be right back. Hey everybody, I am back. All right. Actually, I know I wrote mobile controls, but now that I think about it, there's probably a couple of little things that I want to adjust as well. Because I want to add ammo cap, and then the spawn or the anti-camping. Oops. All right. Let's do this. Oh, if you guys are playing the game, I would love to know if the pointer lock thing is fixed. Here, I'm going to try to join. Hey Sergey, I see you on the server. If you could find me and shoot me. I'm over here in that open area in one corner. Also, we can test the ammo pickups. I just want to see if the pointer lock gets released. Okay, ammo pickups are good now. I saw that one respond. Yep, there's the other ammos. So we're good on ammo. I just need somebody to get me so that I can test to see if the pointer lock works. If anyone's watching this, if you could just join the game and just find me, and I just want to test it. I can't really test it locally. Do you wait? Can you take a shot real quick? Just want to see if we're like connected to the same server and all. Okay, wait, that's an ammo pickup. There you are. Yeah, get me. Yes. Yes. Okay, the lock is fixed. I'm gonna find you. Oh, there you are. Freaking see you. Where the hell did you go? Oh, that's somebody else. Cool. Oh, man. Alright. Okay, sick. The pointer lock is fixed. The ammo is fixed. Amazing. This is a good update. That looks sketchy. No. Oh shit. Who's shooting me? Hey AI Lab, how you doing, man? It's good to see you again. We got the game up and running. Check it out on junkwars.net. Oh man, what the? Okay. Gotcha. Hey, diff need at tac map. I'm not sure what you mean. Sick. Yeah, I gotta add some anti-camping. I'm also thinking maybe make the players just bigger. It just feels like players might be a little too small right now. Oh, and very fast. I do like the speed though. Oh man. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. Do you guys like the speed of the game? Do I need to slow players down a bit more? Do I need to make the players bigger? What do y'all think? It plays super snappy though. I like the performance we're getting on this. Like, it's really real-time multiplayer. Yeah. I thought that wasn't just a chair. I seem to be having some luck with this barrel. Yeah, I gotta add the anti-camping. That's what's getting me right now. You like the speed? Cool. Yeah, all the sprites. Yeah, yeah. The sprites, um, they have a very distinctive sort of vibe. But yeah, it's because they're 2D. So I did the billboarding thing, but at a distance it works. You know, I don't know. It's a distinctive look. I kind of like it. Yeah, I'm also thinking maybe I make the map smaller, but I wonder how much of that is also just that there's only, 5 players on, if that, if they're even active. I've seen some people like in a shootout and then it is like really cool. Oh man. Well, it seems like I'm here on this server with Fluffy and we keep getting each other, but I don't know if, like, I wonder if we are all properly connected to the same state or not. Hey, AI Lab, are you Rebel DNA or are you someone like when you press tab, what do you see? Oh, that's cool. Cool. I wonder what the map will look like if I make it smaller. Oh, I saw somebody. You got stuck. Ah. Stuck on your app or stuck in this game? That just looked like a sketchy washer to me. Gotcha. Stuck in game. I refresh and still can't move. You can jump. That's super weird. Huh. Let me refresh. Oh, you were using arrow keys. Haha. That's cool. Oh man, out of ammo. Yeah, I'll keep building this in a second. I just want to, Good to get some testing in here. Yeah, the ammo pickup needs to be more responsive. Gotcha. Maybe I could throw the NPCs back in when there's not a lot of people around. That way, you know, it can still like play. And there'll be stuff that's just like moving more often. Sniped. Okay, I guess I should probably get back to coding this game. But this is looking pretty good. And thank you all for continuing to help me test it out. Okay. So next up, ammo cap. No cap. All right. I'm going to disconnect for the moment. And I guess it's a player level thing. We want to implement an ammo cap that allows players to only gather up to 50 ammo. Can you add logic to validate this and limit it in the UI? If a player tries to pick up ammo but they already have the max, then the ammo will not be picked up. Otherwise, the full stack will get picked up and we'll just get them to max but throw away the rest. I just don't want to deal with complexities of retrieving partial ammo. Let's see, what files should I tag here? I'll just... The event handler is like the main thing. You have 230 ammo? Wow. Yeah, I think we should definitely add a cap. And we gotta amp this up a little bit. We gotta get like... I want to add rockets, honestly. We gotta get some projectiles in here. I guess the bullets are projectiles, but I want rockets. Okay. This capped it in the UI, but need to... So AI lab, you are you said you spent 6 hours documenting your new system, and you're going to put AI coding to the test. Are you using the documentation to guide the AI to build out the whole thing? Is that the idea, or do you have something else in mind? Oh, cool. You're trying out Gemini 2.5. Yeah, let me know how it feels for you. I was meaning to try it out here. Damn. Let me do something real quick. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this should make the ammo capped. I wonder what happens when I hit that cap though. I think it just won't let me pick it up, but I also got to make the pickups responsive. Hmm. The ammo cap doesn't seem to be aligned across the server and client. That's awesome. I'm glad to hear that it worked out for you. What is Hey Jay, how are you doing? Oh no, you're totally good, man. I really appreciate you stopping by. And yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm streaming for multiple hours every day. I don't expect it to be on all the time. But hey, check out the game. It's live and it's working. You can go to junkwars.net and you will be able to play. I'll join in a second. Let me see if I can just try to troubleshoot this thing locally real quick, and then I'll jump on. Make the terrain a bit lower. Add something to identify people. Yeah. I'm absolutely gonna add an anti-camping mechanic, just like you said, AI lab. Run with cooldown. New total 30. I think it's like really picking up a lot of doubles here. Yeah, it's like doubling up. Okay, this is working, but it revealed a bigger issue that we have with our ammo state synchronization. Right now, when a player arrives on an ammo, it seems like multiple events can get kicked off in parallel and potentially give them more ammo than just one pickup worth. But the server seems to think it's even more than that. How can we fix... Whoa, what is... I'm just sitting on that and it's attempting... Okay. Yeah. How can we fix... What is attack map? Oh, it's like one of those things in the corner. Oh, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, this is a good idea. Okay, thank you. Let me throw that onto my list. All right. Yeah, I should probably come up with some kind of more exciting map anyway. Although this has worked pretty well for development so far. Also, when players are picking up ammo in the UI, the ammo appears in place still until... Is it low? Yeah, it's a little low right now. Let me turn it up. There we go. This should be better. I'm not sure what went down, but it should be better now. Thanks for pointing it out. Okay. Yeah, I think I bumped the volume knob at some point and cool. Okay. Well, thank you for letting me know about the volume. Yeah, I think that was a mistake on my part. Okay. Let me continue with this. So, ammo appears in place still. So we get the server event. No, I really appreciate that. Because I'm totally new to doing this stuff live, and you know, it's a little different. Like all the settings are a bit different, right? So can you let me know if it's actually good now or if it's still kind of quiet? Awesome. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, AI Lab. Awesome. I'm glad you like that detail. Here, I'll hop on real quick. Gotcha. A red square grid. That's strange. Hmm. There is some debug like hitbox meshes that I added, but they shouldn't be visible in the actual game. That's surprising. Oh my god, bathtub. There we go. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Here, I'll stand still. You can screenshot me. Um Oh, yeah, I meant to. Sorry. Yeah, we got. I think it's the three of us in here right now. AI lab. Hold up for a second. Let Jay take a screenshot for me real quick. Yeah, for sure. I'll fix that in a moment. All right, I'm actually gonna go keep working on the game. Thanks for checking it out. You guys can keep playing. But I wanna keep making some progress um on the game itself. All right, I'll just leave that there. I was trying to figure out the ammo cap. All right, I had cursor do some stuff for me. All right, let's see. You can see the score. Press tab or hold tab. And let's see how this is going. Player at max capacity 55. Wow, it added a lot of code. Let's see, game state. Check if an existing pickup attempt. That's kind of hard to track that way. I wonder if I can get it to do it some other way. If a player stands on top of a active pickup, well, when a player stands on a pickup, we are still getting potentially multiple messages. and the server ammo seems out of sync with the client. Let's try out. Oh man, it's. What is the Gemini? Let's try out Gemini. This will be kind of interesting because we got a lot of other stuff in this chat already. But I wonder if I switch models, how much of an issue is that going to be? Okay. Well, it has a lot of explanatory text, but I think that's warranted in this case. And it's making an extremely targeted change, which I like. Okay, and here's the big change. Suddenly a bunch of code. Add a method to send a message to a specific client. I hadn't actually thought of that about that. That might be a pretty good idea. Yeah, it's true. We don't have to broadcast to everybody all the time. Okay. Override or modify the handle message method, assuming it's in base game. This is a conceptual placement, adjust based on. Okay, so maybe not retrieving the context, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, we got a lot of text here. What is the pickup failed do? Cool, thank you. Yeah, what the? Those are definitely the hitbox meshes. I have no clue why you are seeing them. That's trippy. I guess you turned cheats on. Yeah, show hitboxes is false. I wonder why it was different for you. It's interesting. I wonder if it's some sort of local storage issue because you tried to play the game, like you played the game when it was single player, and I wonder if that old version stored something in your local storage that then overrides the setting. I'm not sure because that's the first I heard of that. I don't know if other people were seeing that issue, but I know that you actually played the game when it was single player, so maybe there's some issue from that. I don't know. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new map at some point here. This map is like too big. Um, that's so interesting. Thanks for confirming, Jay. Oh. It's interesting to see the players are getting listed multiple times. If if they rejoin. Oh, nice. Good shot. Okay. Let's see. I was trying to troubleshoot this issue with the ammo cap. Okay. That's good to know, Jay. Thanks for following up on that. Not seeing multiple players like you are. Yeah, that's interesting. Well, you just killed Sergey and myself, so I think you're seeing multiple players now. I think we only got like a few people in here though, and the map is way too big for like a small number of people. I think if there were like 15 people, it would be like really cool. But I need to tune some of the parameters here and force encounters a little more. Oh, on the score list. Yeah. I think on the score list it's a state synchronization issue. When you join, it gives you the correct state, but when you um but when you have been playing and somebody new joins, it like modifies the state instead of refreshing it completely. Here we go. We got some action going on in here now. Man, I can't believe I built a multiplayer game like in a week after like I've never built a game before. This is pretty crazy. AI definitely helps a lot in this kind of stuff. Where is that TV? Come back here, TV. Boom. Oh my god, the TV. Here we go. This is okay. This is getting pretty cool. Now we got like 5 active players in here at the same time. Like you see it picks up pretty. Oh no, it picks up pretty fast. As long as you have like enough players playing. We should schedule like a sort of official game time gameplay or something, and then we can all like just invite a couple of people or something, and see how it goes. Because it would be cool to just have like a full room. Oh my god, I'm swimming in ammo. I got 320 ammo. That's why I'm adding a cap. I guess that's the only edge like surviving players have over. Oh god, somebody right behind me. game's starting to lag a little bit more. Oh man. Let me know how the performance is. Now that we got a number of people playing, I am personally seeing more lag. But I don't know if that's just me. Let me see if I got any. I'll just keep an eye on the. Oh man. This is great. I love that I got an authentic test of the game here. Sweet. Oh my god, too bad the skeleton had 800 ammo. I just got 800 freaking ammo. What? Oh. This is awesome. And thank you all for making this happen. This is so fun. Oh man, drum set. Oh. Oh no. Maybe I should add a little more starting ammo. Although it does encourage people to move. But it might also encourage them to not move uh, if they don't have enough that they can reliably like go for it. Oh, oh, what? Well done. This is so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Hey Hirsch, I built this game over the last week. So that's what I've been streaming is me developing this. But yeah, it's like you can go check it out. Come join us at junkwars.net. I built this for oh man. I built this for a challenge. There's like trying to build games with AI. Thank you. Oh my god, 1,000 ammo. Maybe I shouldn't fix the ammo. Just have infinite ammo. Just keep passing the ball around. Oh my god, I know I should like keep working on the. Oh my god, did you see that snipe shot? Dang, I fired all the way across the map. What the? No, thank you. Okay, that's my spot. All right, let's go. I know I should keep building the game, but this is just too fun right now. I'm curious to hear if in the chat if you guys let me know how the latency is. Now that we got a pretty active game room, I'm just curious to see if it, you know, how the performance is. Gotcha. Just curious to know if your computers are if it's all working good or if there's any issues. Awesome. Thanks, Jay. That's good to know. Oh man. Oh god. Don't want to be the dumpster. Hey Brian, welcome back. Yeah, we got a pretty active game going on here right now actually. There's like I feel like there's like almost 10 people in here. This is a lot more what I had in mind. Wonder where that ammo stack is at this point. there's like a stack of 1,000 ammo that keeps getting passed around basically. Okay, come on. Nice. I should add, do you guys think I should add some motion blur? I wonder what that would look like. Yeah. I need to fix the leaderboard. You're right. My leaderboard is all screwed up as well. Yeah, let me add that to the to-do list. I'm gonna refresh just so I see how many people are in here. Okay, I think we got 6 people in here right now. Although it doesn't have me in there, so that's weird. I wonder how it's tracking the. Oh man. Okay. Okay, there I am. I'm on leader or scoreboard now too. Yeah, I gotta figure out score display. Here to fix the sync. I'm gonna check on the Cloudflare dashboard how things are looking over here. Okay, this is the latest version, I think. I gotta figure out what is up with these errors. Unknown errors. Okay, we are using some of the KV storage now, and I think that's for the score, but I'm not 100% sure. And I also need to figure out how exactly that's being synced. And we got, what do we got here? Billable duration. This is, I'm just trying to figure out, because they got pricing over here, and I should be, this should be very affordable, supposedly. Let me just double check. Yeah, so duration 400k gigabyte seconds for free, and then $12 per million after that. So what do we got right now? 400k is free, so we are like just it's free, and it's gonna be free for a while. Although, what is up with this? Like when yeah, okay, yeah, that seems right. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Now when I switch the last 30 minutes, we got way more. Oh no, never mind. That's 200. Okay. It'd be cool if I added something where you could um, where you could look back on the people you defeated, like a chat of who defeated who. That's a cool idea. Yeah, just some kind of log. Okay, yeah, this is 200. That's not 200,000. So yeah, we're looking good. This is all very free so far. Which is pretty insane. I thought video game hosting would be like bonkers expensive, but Durable Objects by Cloudflare looks very affordable. Unless I'm missing something, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. I've done a lot of research at this point on that specifically. Okay. I'll just shoot a couple more, and then I will Continue working on the game. Continue building the game. Yeah, man, you know what we need? We need like some towers. We need some cool stuff. We need some power-ups. We need some sound effects. This is just the beginning of this game. I swear. It's going to get even cooler for sure. And now that I got the multiplayer working, and thank you all again so much for joining and helping me test this out. Now that we got the multiplayer working, it's going to be so much easier to work on all of these features. Because when I started this, I made it single player at first, and then only I realized what it takes to make a multiplayer game and synchronizing state across the server and all of the individual clients. And then it was quite a big challenge to get the server working. And not only not only that, but just learning everything along the way. But it's been a very fun week building this. And I'm going to keep going. I'll play a little. I think I'm going to play a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go off of stream to continue working on it, and then get dinner here at some point. But the site's going to keep being up and running, so y'all feel free to continue playing. And eventually I'll add. Well, there's a bunch of features that I want to add. And then I'll probably announce some kind of event where we can all get on at the same time. Hey, Brian, you're asking if I offer web dev consulting services. Thanks, Jay. See you later. But yeah, Brian, to answer your question, right now I'm sort of focusing on my own stuff. I do usually do consulting. So you can reach out to me. You can find my email on YouTube if you go to my About page. Why don't you just send me an email and we'll figure out if there's an opportunity there or not at the moment. I'm trying to kind of build my own apps, but consulting is something that I do regularly. So maybe if it's not immediate, it could be something later. Thanks for asking, though. Like, really appreciate it. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, man. Freaking jumping. Where'd you go? Oh. Too bad is really good, this game. I guess that's too bad. Gotta add some performance monitoring. It is a little bit slower on my computer, but I'm not sure. That might be because I'm also running other instances of things. Wow. Wow, you guys actually eliminated each other at the same time. That's crazy. Oh, man. Okay. All right, last one, and then I'm gonna get going. Oh, achievements. That's a really cool idea. Yeah, I'd love that. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you all so much. It's super fun, and I'm glad we got to do this all live. And I'm looking forward to playing this with you and continuing to build features. Definitely let me know on X if you have any ideas, or um, and I'll probably schedule another stream at some point soon. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or the day after or something, but we'll do kind of a bigger game time thing. Maybe we can all get on at the same time. I'm going to try to update the map and stuff. Cool. All right. Well, thank you all so much. Yeah, the site is going to keep running, so feel free to keep playing. Thank you all. All right. Take care. Bye.